What's going on, y'all? It's Bre'Aunna and I'm back again with another hair video for y'all. It is officially day 9 of Vlogmas, okay? So in today's hair video, I will be showing my ladies, my men, any and everyone who wants to know how you can get your high puff to sit higher on a high note. Okay, so today I'm going to be starting on a going on 3-day-old twist out that I'm just kind of tired of at this moment, and it's going to be raining this week, so it's like, why even have it down when it's just going to shrink up even more, you know? So anyway, enough of that. We're going to go ahead and hop into the video. So you're going to need a few things, hair materials, accessories to work with in this video, and technically only like 2 to 3 of them are necessary, but I just like to use the extras. So this is what you're going to need: a hard bristle brush, need a gel, so you may pick and choose whatever you want to use, but today I'll be using Eco Styler's Argan Oil Gel. So this is an optional product, but what I'm going to be using to finish off my high puff is my Rosewater Hair Milk Fragrance Spray by my personal Black-owned business called She's So Glossy. Definitely go check it out. Link will be down below. And last but not least, you're going to need a bandana. Also, obviously did forget to mention that you're going to need a spray bottle. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to push up my hair that I want it to go. So whichever way that I want my puff to flow, and I'm just going to push it up that way. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding the gel around the perimeter of my hair. I'm kind of being generous with the gel because I kind of want my hair to get like mad sleek, and my hair is thick, so your girl kind of needs a lot. Go ahead and grab my bristle brush, and I'm going to start from the back and just start brushing up. Well, I kind of smooth my hand, and then I go in with the bristle brush, and then I just brush it up like that. We're gonna go ahead and do that around my whole head. And whatever direction I want my high puff to go or to lay. And I did put a generous amount of gel on the back of my hair just because I like my hair laid. Now that my hair is all brushed up in the way that I want it to go, grab my bandana. Okay, put the bandana all the way to the back of my head, wrap it around my ears, and up crisscross like normal, like you would do a regular high puff. And I'm just going to start pushing it up like I would usually do if I was doing a regular high puff, and adjust it, pull it up, adjust it, pull it up. And this is where the difference in your puff is going to sit. So I'm going to scrunch it up and tighten it up like that. Now that I have these two pieces, I'm going to see if I can show y'all correctly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this knot, but I'm going to tie it above my very first knot. Okay, I'm going to tie it above my first knot, not down below it, but I'm going to tie above it. And then I'm going to tighten it and pull those back around and tuck it under, and you can start to fluff in whatever way you want to fluff it. Okay, grab my scarf, and I'm going to tie it around my head. And the reason why I'm tying this around, because the perimeter of my hair doesn't automatically lay down or get flattened, just because it is Eco Styler Gel in my hair. I won't say my hair doesn't do well with Eco, but it's not going to lay down just directly by itself. I have to lay it down, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this scarf on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after it's been about 15-20 minutes, I go ahead and take off my scarf, and boom, just like that, the back is now laid and slayed, y'all. Go ahead and take my boss hair clip, and honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna just put it right here, right in the front, so you know who you're dealing with. Let me stop. But this is a finishing look, y'all. So the technique is all about going up and up and up. Simple as that, y'all. This is how I get my high puff to stay high. I hope this video was helpful for any and everybody watching it, and I'll catch y'all in day 10 for tomorrow's Vlogmas. Mwah. Bye, y'all. LOL, y'all. So I totally forgot to put my rose water hair milk fragrance spray in my hair. So all you do is shake it up a little bit, and it's literally what it says in the title. It's a fragrance spray, so it makes your hair smell extra bomb. It smells like rose water. Anyway, go check your girl out. I actually made this product myself. I make natural hair products, so make sure you go check your girl out. A little self-promo at www.shesoglossy.com, and check out my leave-in conditioner, my natural hair growth oil, and of course, my rose water hair milk fragrance spray. Baby. Okay, y'all. I'm gone for real this time. Bye.